The iPhone franchise has been played a pivotal role in everyone's life. And now, 2 months ago, a new phone was launched, and we all know the 16E, a pure cash grab. And Ishan, why do you say like this? Well, in my opinion, I love Apple. I love iPhone. I'm a fan of it, and I'll do anything for it. But this one, it's just bad. Apple said it is very, very affordable. But how? Well, Tim Cook cooked us, and he fooled us. Technically, $600. Is it worth for $600? No. Technically, the iPhone SE was $400, $399, but this one, nope. And the disappointment is, it's a blast, a bad one. It has a notch. Yes, guys, a notch. The notch that we hated, that was annoying when we watched every single video. It sucked. Does this have a dynamic island? No, it does not have. It doesn't have a camera control. That was the whole idea about 16. It doesn't have a wireless charging output. But it has an A18 chip. It has a 48 megapixel camera, a single camera. It is the exact design of the SE, but a combination of the 14. And the A18 chip is the only thing that makes me happy. It is very, very, very fast. Other than that, it's nothing. I'd probably say don't buy this, and it's worth nothing, and it's for no one. Yeah, I'm skipping this one. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.